Recapture that sense of breath flowing freely, up on inhalation, down on the back on exhalation. So kind of unknown back bend is retained in the body all the time, even if you're not doing a back bend. In fact, the teaching in yoga asana is that even in so-called forward bend, you retain that sensation. In a classical forward bend, as you bend forward, actually you are never bending forward, you are folding forward. Even as the body, the trunk folds forward in so-called forward bend, the inner sense remains that on inhalation, the body lifts up. In the instruction often given by my teacher was the skin at the back of the body drops towards the floor, towards the pelvic floor. Even in postures, in asana, where you are doing an active rounding of the back, like in Bakasana, in some arm balances like that, the skin at the back body still moves towards the buttocks. In Shirshasana, the skin does the same thing. There is not a single posture where the skin does the opposite.